In this tutorial, I'm gonna make a coin task application using Python. So when user input head and tail, it will automatically print according to his given command. It's for his coin task like head or a tail. So I'm gonna just import function random. So it will randomly generate um, randomly generate any variable or function. So I'm gonna write here heads. I'm using a two choices, head and tail here. So the second one is tails. So I'm gonna write toss is equal to random dot choice. I'm gonna pass sequence. It's asked me to pass some sequence. Here are two sequence I have mentioned here. So for selection, I'm making a variable for selection, taking some input from the user input from user and want to display here. Please write heads or tails. Choose please choose head or tail. This is the function. If selection, a defined function, is equal to toss, so toss, so it will print. It's quite interesting. It's print you win. The coin landed on toss. I'm gonna write it else I'm gonna write it I'm a lazy one, just copying this one and will rewrite it what I want, lose and on. So let's run this one. Is it working? Yeah, please enter toss. Here I'm gonna write it heads, so you lose the coin. So I'm gonna run it again, so it will automatically check tails. I'm gonna write it tails, you win. So you can see here it's code, the code is working here. And thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.